Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to create a routine in Claude. This is very simple. The first thing we are going to need is to go and log in with our Claude AI account. For this, keep in mind that if we want to perform routines, we'll need to pay for either the Pro subscription or the most advanced version of Claude. Once that's done, how do we find the routines? It will be in the code zone. So let's enter that zone and we will already have the Claude Code area. Once here in the Claude Code zone, what we need to do is head over here to the sidebar that we can see. In this case, it doesn't appear for you. You will have to click it right there, and here we'll have the routine sections. Once in the routine section, the only thing you have to do is click here where it says new routine. Once you click on new routine, you simply have to write a name, in this case, tutorial. And here within this area, you will have to write the instructions. Here it tells us, describe what Claude should do in each session. You will have the triggers here, which will be through a calendar. We could run it when GitHub is active, when some GitHub event is triggered, or simply have the trigger connect with a post from our APIs. In this case, for example, we choose the schedule option. And for example, we're going to send it a daily one. And here we'll have to write in the time for how often certain routines will be triggered. We'll have the connectors, behaviors, and the permission zones. In the connector zones, we'll have to in this case, choose the connectors or add the connectors we want to be used. Here we will have the permissions, which obviously are the repository permissions, such as GitHub. So we only need to first add a repository, and after adding this, you will have to configure that section. Finally, when all of this is complete, for example, I'm going to put say hello in Spanish, the hola. It's something very simple because we are working with an example. For instance, let's set it for the afternoon, in this case 2:58 p.m. We'll set it so that Claude AI writes that. So let's click run now, and as we can observe, here we will already have our first routine assigned and created with Claude Code. And that will be all for today.